What's up, guys? Today I'm doing my video on the mean value theorem. Hope it helps. I'm going to talk about what the mean value theorem is, the rules and the formula for the mean value theorem, and how it is used in the real world, followed by example problems. So, what is the mean value theorem? The mean value theorem is finding the average slope of the function f of x between two intervals a and b. The mean value theorem formula says that f prime of x is equal to f of b minus f of a all over b minus a. Then I know that f prime of x has to equal f prime of c, and f prime of c is the exact point of where the average slope is hit on the graph. So finding the slope, of course, is rise over run. So as you see, the 2 points starts with A to B. The point A is A, f of A, and B, f of B. So the rise, which would be f of B minus f of A, over the run, which is b minus a. For the mean value theorem to work, the function must be continuous, it must be differentiable, and it must be defined over a closed interval. The mean value theorem in the real world. In the real world, the mean value theorem is helpful with positioning and time graphs. For example, if a car's average speed was 60 miles during the first hour, then you could find out the exact moment the car was going exactly 60 miles per hour on that graph. So now that we know a little bit about the mean value theorem, let's try to do some examples. So we know that the mean value theorem says that f prime of x equals f of b minus f of a all over b minus a. Then we know that f prime of x equals the f prime of c. So given y equals x cubed minus 2x squared minus 6x on the interval 0 to 5. So our f of a, which is f of 0, equals 0. And our f of b, which is f of 5, equals 45. So our f of b minus f of a is 45. And then our b minus a is 5, so the f prime of x is 45 divided by 5, which is 9. So the f prime of x is 9, which means the f prime of c is also 9. Although we don't know the f prime of c, we can figure it out by plugging in c where x is in our original equation. So we have f of c equals c cubed minus 2c squared minus 6x. So then we have the f prime of c, which is 3c squared minus 4c minus 6. And then we plug in the f prime of c as 9, so 9 equals 3c squared minus 4c minus 6. And we're getting ready to factor, so we put it all on one side. So it's 0 equals 3c squared minus 4c minus 15. And then factoring that, you have a c plus 3 and a 3c minus 5. Now we get c equals negative 3 and c equals 5/3. However, since the interval is from 0 to 5, c cannot be a negative, so our answer is c equals 5/3. Example number 2. Given y equals 4x squared minus 2x plus 8 on the interval 3 to 7. So the f prime of x equals f of b minus f of a all over b minus a. So our f of a, which is f of 3, is 38, and our f of b, which is f of 7, is 190. So we have 190 minus 38 all over 7 minus 3. So that comes down to f prime of x equals 38, which is also our f prime of c. So now to find the f prime of c, we plug in c, or we substitute x for c in our original equation. So f of c equals 4c squared minus 2c plus 8. And then our f prime of c equals 8c minus 2. And then we plug in f prime of c, which we know is 38. So 38 equals 8c minus 2. We're solving for c, so we get move the 2 to the other side. So we get 8c equals 40. And then there we have it, c equals 5. That's the mean value theorem.